Our last video, we learned about how to control the line weight of the drawings on the screen so that when we do a PDF, if layer 0 over here or has a line weight of 1.00, it will print thick. And if layer stamp has 0.013, it will also print thick. Okay, but at the same time, it will also print in color on a PDF if the layer has colors in it. Right? So before we continue, let's just save this first, and then we're going to start a new drawing after we save this. So go back to your AutoCAD files, and we're going to make sure that we pull this down first and make sure that we are using imperial. We're going to do inches, and then we're going to draw 8 lines here. So we're going to simply draw a line, and we're going to draw them vertically, and we just want them to be 1 inch. So 1 inch, and press enter. Okay, so that's very small. Press escape to stop, and then you can zoom into this really small line here. There you go. So that's your 1 inch. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to offset that 0.51 inch. So we're going to do our modify, and then we're going to use offset, and before we click anything, we're going to type in 0.5 inch. That means half an inch. Press enter. Okay, now you can also do a 1/2. So if I press escape and I repeat my offset, I can also do a 1/2 inch. Press enter, and it's the same thing. So we're going to do 8 lines. This is our first one, so just gonna click. This is our second, click, third, click, click, fourth, click, 5, click, 6, click, 7, click, 8. All right, so, and then what we're going to do is we're going to create 8 different layers. So we're going to go to our layers over here, and we're going to click layer, and we're going to rename that to pen 1. Okay, click plus again, and then we're going to do pen 2. Plus again, we're going to click pen 3. Plus pen 4, click plus, and then we're going to do pen 5, click plus, and do pen 7, click plus, and the last one is called pen 8. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to press enter, is we're going to assign not a color to this one, but different line weights. Okay, we're going to think of pen 1 being the smallest number, which should be the thinnest of the lines. We're going to select pen 1, and then once pen 1 is selected down here, we're going to change this, and we're going to select 0.13. So that's the thinnest. Okay, pen 2 should be slightly thicker. Okay, so click pen 2, and then when it's pen 2 here, so we're going to change that, and we're going to make that to 0.18. All right, click pen 3. Okay, and then we're going to select 0.25, and then on pen 4, okay, we're going to select and pull this down 0.4, and then 0.5, select that, and we want that to be around 0.6. Not unlock it, but I'm going to unlock that. No, I don't want to unlock it. Pen 7 can't unlock it anyway. We're going to select, pull this down. My scroll wheel doesn't work. We're going to do a 0.8, and then the last one here is pen 8, and we're going to select that to be 1.0. Okay, make sure this one is not locked. Okay, so now we have those colors, those layers. And normally in when we get to the AutoCAD web, we're going to assign them color and line weight at the same time, but we don't want to print in color. So we're going to select this and make sure we go to property and make sure that the layer is on pen 1. this one. So press escape to unselect, select the second one and change the layer to pen 2, press escape, select the third, change to pen 3, escape, select the fourth, change it to pen 5, oh pen 4, escape, the fifth one should be on pen 5, and then the sixth should be on pen 6. Oh, I'm missing pen 6. Okay, so I'm good too. So let's see, pen 7 should be pen 7 here, and the last one, pen 8, should be pen 8. Then let's do another layer, and pen 6, and then press enter, select pen 6, and then change that to point 7, I believe. What is pen? Let's look at pen 7. What did we assign pen 7? Point 7 is point. There we go. So pen 6 is point 7, pen 7 is point 8, and 8 is 1. Okay, and then let's click the sixth one and make sure that it is in pen 6. There you go. So we don't see anything really. Okay, we don't see anything, and then let's just save this and type in pen layers and then click save. Now we don't see anything even if we go to layout. Okay, we don't really see anything. Let's click the viewport and change it to locked, and then unlock first. Change it to 1:1 first, and then click display lock. Okay, so it doesn't. So even if you enter that, it won't. So you don't see anything, but you can only see the pen thicknesses when you go to plot, and then you plot to PDF, and then when it's after printing, you simply open that PDF. Okay, click download, and then you should be able to open that on the right side, and I will open it on the left side. You can see now the difference. I guess we have to select or change pen number 6. Okay, because the thinness is pen 1, pen 2, pen 3, pen 4, pen 5, pen 6, pen 7, pen 8. So let's change again pen 6, and that's the drawback, is you can't see the effect of the pen weight. Okay, so double click or let's just go to model, and the sixth one here should be pen 6, right? And pen 6 on the layer should be 0.7. So this is 1. There you go. This was supposed to be always 0, and this is supposed to be click, and that's supposed to be on property pen 6. There you go. Now that it's fixed, go back to layout, and we're going to look at our lines again and click plot, and then plot to PDF, and then wait for it to finish, and then we're going to download and open the PDF, and now you should see that done. Okay, so that's the whole purpose of creating layers, is to organize our drawings and also to assign different thicknesses to lines. All right, so do that.